Hey everyone, this is Matt with Storm and Railfan 96. I'm going to be doing a little bit something different for this month's Siren test. Here I have a 30 watt speaker. I'm going to be testing this for my outdoor warning system today. Taking a look at the back. This is an ATW H508. It's a 30 watt peak 8 ohm speaker. So, for those of you who may or may not know, I actually grew up watching Charlie Davidson, or in other words, Soccer Dude 7330's videos with his Storm Alert 1004. And it's kind of what inspired me to get this, but I've had this since 2017. I've never actually put this into service, but I might. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do a test with this. I'm going to have some pre-recorded messages I made, along with a pre-recorded sound of what my Model 2T would sound like going on. Just going to play the test message with the Model 2T, and let's see how this sounds. It's pretty windy out there today, so let's see how this sounds. Let's give this a try here. It's windy as heck, so pardon the wind. I can't help it, but in reality, this is what it would be like during a storm. So here we go.
Testing. This is a test of the outdoor warning siren. This is only a test. Testing. This is a test of the outdoor warning siren. This is only a test. This is a test of the outdoor warning siren. This is only a test.